playing Sound Shapes, and I know I... Can you start it over from the beginning? Because I know I played this game...
Try sticking
when it first came out. I didn't really care for it, and I wanted Jerry to play it because I knew he'd love it. And by love it, I mean hate it. You doing it, Jerry? You're awful quiet over there.
So what the hell am I supposed to do?
I don't remember. You should start it from the beginning.
This is the beginning.
No, I mean, like, new game. I think those are bad guys.
Oh, they killed me dead.
I think red means dead. Yeah, that's... See? Jerry, I told you if you touch Jerry.
Shut up.
Can't wait for you to get to the boss. You think he's like a rectangle?
I think he's more of a sound than shape, but that's just me.
More of a sound than a shape.
Oh, I got fucked up the butt by the thing.
Ooh, you almost got that stuff on you. Now what do you... Oh, I was saying
That
now
stuff,
what the fuck do you
that
do?
sweet, funky stuff. This game's,
This really can't be... This is the game, huh?
It's kind of boring.
This can't be the game. Back out of here. What else is there? Oh, you're at the end here. Never mind.
I did it. Nah, I don't care.
You don't want all the... You don't want the masses to know how great you are.
They already know, don't they?
So, hold on a second. Album select? Can you go back? Oh, that's music.
I think the albums are levels, are like overworld levels, and then there's...
Oh my goodness.
It's like a basic platform.
Yeah. Why is this such a big game? I seem to see a lot of people enjoying this. Ooh, we almost juked. Oh, right into that pudding. I'm assuming it's blood pudding, right?
Well, now what?
Maybe this is all you get from this level. I bet this is all you get from this level. It's like a hit or miss. They're like, alright, here's some shit, you do something with it. Right? That's all that's happening. Or you have to just get those last two things. Oop. Oh, it said hell no.
Hell no.
How dare you touch red when you haven't fucking done
Touch
it all.
red, you did. Oh, I did it again.
Did? Something you keep learning.
I won't touch red, I'm sorry.
I bet you're gonna touch it again.
Right.
There you are. There you are. Red is dead. You're gonna learn it again, aren't you?
I'm gonna try not to.
Oh, there you are. You learned it.
I learned it even earlier.
Oop.
Oh, even earlier.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh. You can't stop getting learned.
I'm unlearning the game. Well, now what?
I don't know. You won. You did it. Yay. Maybe jump the other side.
Yeah, I think that's probably it.
Ooh. Goodness. Game's riveting. Oh, shit. Oh, so I have to go over to where that brown is, right?
Oh, I don't want to touch red.
It wants you to touch it.
It does. It really does. Oh,
Hello! Thanks, Green. Green is the man. Oh, they're confusing us with blue. Is red still bad?
Yes, red is still bad.
Just test it out. Test it out if red's still bad. I bet it's good now. Why else would they change up the colors like that? this is where it's gonna get tricky. All right. Ah, get in there! Ah! Oop, 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 oop. Square to boost. Boost. Did you boost?
Nah.
Oh, how can you? Oh. So, heads up. Red is still bad.
Oops.
Boost. Oh, so it just gives you a little speed on the spin.
Mm-hmm.
A little speed on the spin. Oh.
Oops.
Oop. You probably should have boosted that. Oh. That red is still bad, Jerry. Remember, it's still bad.
Oh, thanks, I forgot.
Well, we had our doubts, remember? I seem to remember you having your doubts about
You're
it.
right, I did. You know why I did, though? Because I'm a fool.
Oh, well, your word's not mine. Oh. Ah. I don't know what. Oh, what do they want from you? What do they want from you? Oh, what'd you say? Hey, oh, gabagoo.
Gabagoo!
You Italian Bill Cosby.
Oh, look at that shit.
Those are some angry dudes. Are the rest of these things ice cream cones? Oh, delicious cherry. Ooh. Oh, whoa, right in there.
That's what she said.
Whoop. Oh, fuck. Oop, right in the scalp.
Whoa!
Oh. Juke him, juke him. You got it, yeah. Damn. Oh, your guy has a little eyeball. I didn't even notice that.
I did it.
You did do it. Now, here's the thing.
Do I care?
We're at the end of an episode if we want to do a one-off. Or we could keep playing.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do? You're playing. You've unlocked all these things. In the editor? Where's the editor? Try to find out what the editor is. I don't think that's the editor. Oh, it is the editor. What the fuck is this? Oh. Oh, wow. Whee! Whee! What? Oh, red's bad in this world. Woo! Still bad. Whee! Ooh, bad. Whee! Woo! Little woo! Whee! Whoop! Exit the car.
Fuck, dangerous.
Oh, we can go. Yeah, drive it over there. Whoop. Drive it over there, Jay. It won't let me exit! It's just an 80s horror movie. I can't get out of the car. Whoa! What the fuck? Whoa! Look at that. Now you're one of fucking Handsome Joe's, or yeah, Morton Joe's. Ooh. Mediocre. Now I only want you to die because I really like that. Yeah. 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 Let me scream once more, Jimmy. Yeah. You'll never get out of there. Remember that slowdown power? Whoa, that's speeding up. Ah! Whee! Whoop! Ooh. Whee! Whoop! Don't cry, Jerry. Yeah, alright, I'll give it a try. I don't remember what are the buttons.
Square to boost, and left and right to flip your shit.
Oh, it doesn't want you to get out of here, does it? Fucking wheelies, though. Where's my achievement for a wheelie? Wheelie as fuck.
I like the exposed brain.
In general or in the game?
Oh wait, I just realized it's you, where the brain is.
Oh, I'm doing stunt tricks now. Whee! Whoop! Yeah, I'm still on it. Woo! Down there, though.
Oh, you would have made it if
Yep.
you stayed on.
Woo! Whip!
Keep doing what you're doing, but don't abandon it.
Oh, I thought I was going to be wheelie master. Wheelie!
Did it.
There you go. Can we call it quits here?
I guess so.
I'm done with this. I am done with this. This game's terrible.
Yeah, it's not very fun.
Well, I don't know if it's terrible. It's just fucking. Oop.
Kind of boring.
Oop. Oop. Get out of my fucking PS4.
Get out of my dreams. Get into my car.
What?
What do you think, Lenny? What's it smell like?
It actually smells kind of good.
Yeah, I've drank.
It smells like
Bullshit.